Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the batteries match in voltage and chemistry, because unlike cells, mismatched units create stress and failure. Once you decide series versus parallel, label terminals and clear corrosion so connections kiss metal, not dirt. Make the first physical move now. Attach an insulated cable to the positive terminal of battery A, tightening to a firm torque. This prevents arcing and ensures low resistance. Make sure to keep cables neat. Loose ends or tools nearby invite shorts, so stow extras immediately. Once done with the initial hookup, focus on equalizing resistance and protecting the string. Use equal length, same gauge cables for parallel connections to avoid current hogging. In series, ensure each module has access to a balancing path. Mount a fuse or breaker near the primary positive terminal. This protects against short circuits instantly. Make sure to secure cables with clamps and insulating sleeving so vibration won't loosen them, and, if applicable, connect a battery management or equalizer to maintain cell balance over many cycles. Now finish by testing and securing the pack. Measure the open circuit voltage, then apply a modest load and watch voltage sag to confirm health. Once stable, torque terminals to spec, strap batteries to prevent movement, and label polarity and installation date for future service. Make sure to monitor temperature during the first charge cycle. Warm spots indicate trouble. If you encounter imbalance or overheating, immediately disconnect and isolate the suspect battery, then perform a capacity or internal resistance test. This single check.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.